Hey guys, welcome to our Farmers Love Agri Farm tour. We were on our way to Tarlac City and passed by this beautiful flower garden located along Luisita Road in Barangay Malapacio. There's an entrance fee which costs 60 pesos for adults, 50 pesos for senior citizens, and 40 pesos for children. My parents, the senior citizens. Sunflowers symbolize adoration, loyalty, and longevity. Much of the meaning of sunflowers stems from its namesake, the sun itself. Sunflowers are known for being happy flowers, making them the perfect gift to bring joy to someone's day. So we're enjoying the sunflowers and the sunset here in Tarlac. Auntie Tessie, say hi. Auntie. Here's a 360 view of the Farmers Love Agri Farm. Did you know that during the growing season, the young sunflowers rotate their bright yellow heads during the day to track the sun's movement across the sky? They reset overnight, swinging their face back to the east. In between the sunflowers are celosias, marigold, and zinnia. Yes, I found love in the flowers. Thanks for watching.